Organizations are everywhere. They are preeminent institutional form in the modern society. Manufacturing firms, service organizations, schools, banks, universities, grocery stores, and even non-governmental organizations are some important forms of organizations. And in this society, knowledge is the primary resource for individuals and for the economy overall. Land, labor, and capital, the economy's traditional factors of production, do not disappear, but they became secondary. They can be obtained and obtained easily, provided there is a specialized knowledge. At the same time, however, specialized knowledge by itself produces nothing. It can become productive only when it is integrated into a task. And that's why the knowledge society is also a society of organizations. The purpose and function of every organization, business and non-business alike. It is the integration of specialized knowledge into a common task. And most of us have worked in an organization of people. Even a family is a type of organization. The word is so widely used that its meaning can sometimes be lost. The word organization means a collection of resources that are working together to achieve a common purpose. When we talk about an organization, we are generally referring to a group of people. An organization refers to a collection of people who are involved in pursuing defined objectives. It can be understood as a social system which comprises all the formal human relationships. The organization encompasses division of work among employees and alignment of tasks towards the ultimate goal of the company. There are different types of organizations. First type of organization is known as horizontal organization or flat organization. It refers to an organizational structure with few or no levels of intervening management between staff and managers. The idea is that a well-trained worker will be more productive when he or she is more directly involved in the decision-making process rather than closely supervised by many layers of management. Actually, the idea behind this organizational structure is to reduce bureaucracy and empower employees to make decisions, become creative problem solvers, and take responsibility for their actions. Since there are minimum or low levels of middle management, a company that adapts this structure can also end up being more productive by speeding up the decision-making processes. The most famous example of this comes from Valve, the gaming company responsible for classics such as Half-Life, Counter-Strike, Portal, and many others. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, you can see the next video. Please click at bell icon and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.